Right, today I'm going to be showing you how to remove a diff from an M140. And I've seen a couple of videos on the internet already. None of them were helpful at all, and most of them suggest you need Bmw approved tools, etc. I've managed to do the job, and these are the tools you need. You'll need a T30, a 21, an E20 Torx, inverted Torx, sorry, a 16, an 18, a 20, and another 21, a power bar, these ratchets and extensions, two of these, a 16, an 18, and a 21. Right, so where you're going to want to start is by taking the brake caliper off and moving it to one side so it doesn't get damaged. So if you can see, I've done here, I've cable tied at the side. Same with, there's a plastic thing on here which has got the wires for the ABS sensor and the pad wear sensor, I believe. What you want to do is unclip them and take them off completely, because you'll snap them if you're taking it off this way that I'm showing you. So take them off along with the brake, and then what you want to do is use the Torx bit to remove, Torx bit in your 16 to remove these, which is your drop links, and then you want to move on to all your camber arms that are attached to the hub anyways. So you remove this bottom one's the E-Torx one, and then the rest are 18s, I believe. So you'll take all them out, and then when all of them are out, you're going to keep a hold of it so it doesn't fall down. You're going to work the bottom one out of here with a pry bar, because that's what it takes, because they'll all be pretty stuck in. And once it's out, once it's off all them camber arms, it should be as easy as this to remove the drive shaft. But you've got to remember that it's got to go back, straight back, or you could take it off. It's up to you. You could take it off completely, but you just need to give it a tug. You push it forwards, and then obviously, because I'm videoing it with one hand and I'm not fucking Stretch Armstrong, there we go, just pops straight out. They're on a little clip, so you just pull them, and be sure to pull the full thing out so that this disengages the diff itself, obviously, because it's going to be in place on the car, so it's not going to be as easy as I'm showing you here. And then once it's out of there, you're going to drop this one by removing this bolt here, which is a 21, I believe. And then on the other side, that's when you're going to need these two. So you're going to put them together, put a 21 on the end with this, and that is so that you can get round the bolt on the back of the diff up here, which attaches to this one, the nut, sorry, that attaches to that bolt. If you've got a swan neck 21, it'll probably get it, but I don't, so that's what I needed, just letting you know. Once that's out, and once you've removed these bolts, these two, and obviously your prop, you're going to lower it down. Obviously, because you've got one shaft removed already from doing what I've told you already do, it's going to drop down now, attached to the other shaft. And all you need to do is pull it down freely, and then give it a yank. As soon as you've given it a yank, it'll come off. And then you just reverse that whole entire process, what you've just done, and then that's your diff done. When you're putting it back together, ensure the cups all go in correctly. Give them a spin and give them a click to go in. You should just be able to force them in, but if it isn't going in the way you thought it would, take it out a little bit and give it a twist just so it finds its teeth. And then when you give it a bash, it should go in. And that's how you do it, without any BMW tools, at your own garage by yourself. Cheers.